Okay, continue with the previous topic. And we know that distance traveled by the light in 1 year is 9.46 into 10 raised to 15 meter, or 9.46 into 10 raised to power minus 12. Similarly, when we are talking about the large distances, okay, so when we are talking about large distance, kitna large? Okay, so here we are simply talking radius of the earth. Radius of the earth, RE, that is 64,000 kilometer. If you are talking about the diameter, multiply by 2, 12,800 kilometer. Okay, this is the maximum distance we can able to cover on the earth. Then we are talking about distance between earth and moon. How much this distance? The distance between earth and moon is nearly, that is 3 lakhs kilometer, approximately 3 lakhs kilometer. This is the distance between earth and the moon, which is the nearest celestial object. Similarly, whenever we are talking about astronomical unit, so what is astronomical unit? It is the distance between earth and sun. Distance between earth and sun is known as astronomical unit, and one astronomical unit, AU, is equal to 1.49 into 10 raised to power 8 kilometer, or 1.49 into 10 raised to power 11 meter. The nearest star closest to the earth is at a distance of 1.49 into 10 raised to power 8 kilometer. This is known as astronomical unit. The speed of light, light year, distance traveled by the light in 1 year, diameter and radius of the earth, distance between earth and moon, astronomical unit is the distance between earth and the sun. They all comes in the category of measurement of large distances. Then we are having one more thing, that is known as parsec. And 1 parsec is equal to 3.08 into 10 raised to power 15 किलोमीटर. छोटा मोटा नहीं है. कितना है? 3.80 into 10 raised to power 15 kilometer. And what is 1 parsec? 1 parsec is the distance. 1 parsec is a distance when one astronomical unit arc subtend an angle of 1 second. तो आजू बाजू का ये जो डिस्टेंस होगा, this distance is parsec, and I will explain you when we discuss the parallax method how we can able to calculate 1 parsec. अभी सिर्फ वैल्यू बेटा 3.08 into 10 raised to power 15 kilometer is equal to 1 parsec. Sorry, 16 meter. 3.08 into 10 raised to power 16 meter, that is 1 parsec. And we will find out how we can able to calculate this. So these are the some of the information for the measurement of large distance. But how these distances can be calculated, we can learn in the next topic, that is parallax method for the measurement of large distance. So in today's lecture we have just discussed about the supplementary physical quantities, plane angle, solid angle. Okay, unit of the plane angle is radian, unit of solid angle is steradian. RAD and SR are their respective symbol. एंगल इज इक्वल टू, फॉर्मूला याद रखना बेटा, हमेशा बहुत काम आएगा आगे चल के भी. एंगल इज इक्वल टू आर्क अपॉन रेडियस, एंड सॉलिड एंगल इज इक्वल टू एरिया अपॉन रेडियस स्क्वायर. Then we have discussed about the measurement of the small units and smaller distance. So smaller distance में scale, vernier caliper, micrometer, these are used to measure small distance by the help of scale up to 10 raised to minus 3, vernier caliper up to 10 raised to minus 4, उससे छोटा माइक्रोमीटर 10 raised to power minus 5 मीटर तक, and the size of the orbital radius is 10 raised to power minus 10. Wavelengths are measured in Armstrong and 1 Armstrong is equal to 10 raised to power minus 10 meter. And सेंटीमीटर में अगर हम बात करें तो 10 raised to power minus 8 centimeter. Okay, and unit of the smallest unit for the measurement of the distance, that is in Fermi. 1 FM is 10 raised to power 15 meter. F stands for air Fermi. Speed of light maximum students knows 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Distance traveled by the light in 1 year is known as the light year. 9.46 into 10 raised to power 15 meter or 9.46 into 10 raised to power 12 kilometer. फिर the large distance की हम बात कर रहे हैं, then the radius and the diameter of the earth, distance between earth and moon, astronomical unit. What is astronomical unit? It is the distance between earth and the sun is known as first astronomical unit 1.49 into 10 raised to power 8 kilometer and 1 parsec. Parsec is the largest unit for measurement. It is distance traveled by the light when one astronomical unit subtends an angle of 1 second. We will, when we learn certain methods, then we definitely calculate this result. 3.08 into 10 raised to power 16 meter. Okay, if you have any doubt, okay, or any difficulty regarding this, then you can definitely ask me or on my WhatsApp number or call me personally. Have a good day.